Good morning everyone. Earlier in the last video we were discussing about the input devices. We have finished with the digitalizer. So I will be proceeding with the digitalizer again. Digitalizer is an input device which converts analog information into digital form. Digitalizer can convert signal from television or a camera into series of numbers that could be stored in the computer. They can be used by computers to create picture of whatever the camera has been pointed at. This is a diagram showing the pictures of scanner and a digitalizer. Digitalizer is also known as a tablet or graphic tablets that is converts the graphic or pictorial data into binary inputs. A graphic tablet as digitalizer is used for fine works of drawing and image manipulation application. Basically, digitalizer is what? It is used for fine works of drawing and image manipulation application in image manipulation application area. Then comes microphone. Microphone is again an input device to input the sound that is then stored into digital form. The microphone is used for various applications such as adding sound to a multimedia presentation or for mixing the music. Then comes magnetic ink character reader, which is also abbreviated as MICR. Magnetic ink character reader is an input device. It is generally used in banks as there are large number of checks to be processed every day. The bank code number and check numbers are printed on the checks with special type of ink that contains particles of magnetic material that are machine readable and that they are read with the help of magnetic ink character reader. This is the diagram of microphone and magnetic ink character reader. Then this reading process is called magnetic ink character recognition. The main advantage of MICR is that it is fast and less error prone. That is why it is used in the banking area. Then comes optical character reader. OCR is input device used to read printed text. OCR scan the text optically character by character, converts them into machine readable code and store the text on the system memory. Then comes your barcode reader. Barcode reader is a device used for reading barcoded data. That is a data which is in the form of light or dark lines. Barcode data is generally used in labeling the goods, numbering the books, etc. It may be handheld scanner or may be embedded in the stationary scanner. The barcode reader scans a barcode image and converts it into alphanumeric value, which is then fed into the computer that the barcode reader is connected to. For example, you can see the examples of the diagrammatical example of optical character reader and barcode reader. When you go to a particular retail shop, you buy a particular item, you see this kind of a barcode, you scan it with a barcode reader. So the MRP is calculated according to this barcode reader. Optical mark reader, that is OMR, is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize the type of mark made by pen or pencil. It is used where one out of few alternative is to be selected and marked. It is specially used for checking the answer sheets of examination having multiple choice questions. Here I can quote the example of OMR. When you are giving the examination of government sector, you get a multiple choice option in for your answer sheet. You have to fill it with a circle or particular option A, B, C, D. That is being checked by optical mark reader. This is the pictorial representation of optical mark reader. Thank you. Any queries? This finish off with our input devices. Any queries?